How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? I hope we are having a great day. Today I tried to trade an NFT real time. I discovered that in the same collection, VFriend Series 2, the floor price is different between two marketplaces. So on NFT marketplace LooksRare, the floor price, which means the cheapest NFT you can get, is 0.113 Ethereum. And if we go on the more popular site called OpenSea, we can see that the floor price is a little bit higher than that. So what I'm aiming to do today is to get the NFT on the LooksRare NFT marketplace and list it on OpenSea and try to make a little profit with it. So let's get started. First, I'm checking that I have my right wallet and if I have enough Ethereum in it, and yes I do. So what I need to do next, choose the cheapest NFT, click buy now. You can see the amount you are going to pay also in US dollar terms. Confirm and pay. Now we will need to sign the transaction via MetaMask. As you can see, there will be a higher gas fee for that, which is approximately $10. We will also need to take this into consideration when we are selling our NFT. Let's wait for the confirmation a little bit. And the deal is done. We should be able to see it in our collection now. It's right here, as we can see. And to list it, I go to OpenSea Pro. Since I pay less fees on this site if I list the item over here. Pick our NFT and list for sale. I want to run it for 14 days, minimize the creator fee, and on the top of this fee there would be 2.5% if I just sold it on the normal OpenSea site. And let's think about the price. The lowest one is running for this price, so I will aim for 0.132 Ethereum. Hopefully someone will take it, and as you can see, after the deduction of the fees we would get this amount. Let's click start listing. Let's sign the transaction and let's sign it again. It won't cost us any gas fees, and the listing is published. You can check it on the OpenSea site as well. It's already here. So hopefully if someone is looking for a VFriends NFT now, he or she will take ours. I will update you when I sold it. Welcome back one day later, and as you can see, the NFT was sold recently. I took 21 hours to flip the NFT, and unfortunately I had to lower the price because the floor price was decreasing in this time period. So I was able to sell it for this 0.124 ETH, and I added it to our table already. As you can see, this new trade, and deducting the fees, we get this number, and the profit is this in Ethereum terms. And if we look at the crypto market today and where Ethereum stands, 1850, let's times it by our gain, we get a decent gain of $9.5 US. So the trade was successful. That's how you can do NFT flipping from one marketplace to another. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and see you guys next time for another tutorial. Ciao.